Bluey sat quietly in her room, clutching a small worn-out doll tight against her chest. Its fabric was faded, stitches loose, but Bluey's eyes glowed with pure love. Could a simple toy hold her biggest comfort? Bingo peeked inside, curious. "Bluey, why do you hug that doll so much?" she asked. Bluey smiled, gentle, whispering, "Because this doll listens when no one else does." Bingo tilted her head, confused. Could the toy really listen? Bandit knocked at the door, stepping in with a grin. "Still carrying that old thing, mate?" he teased. Bluey frowned sharp, hugging tighter, as if Bandit might take it away. Chilli walked in soft, laying a paw on Bandit's arm. She whispered calm, "Let her keep it. It means something special." Could parents understand the bond of a child and her toy? That night the rain poured heavy, thunder cracking loud. Bluey trembled in bed, clutching her doll with both paws. Bingo crawled under the blanket, scared, asking, "Is it safe?" Bluey whispered, brave, "Yes, because Bunny is here to protect us." Could a stuffed toy chase away fear? The lightning flashed bright, the room glowing sharp. For a split second Bluey swore the doll's button eyes blinked. She gasped but smiled, deciding not to tell anyone. "See, Bingo. Bunny's watching over us." Bingo's jaw dropped in awe. Could the magic be real? At breakfast the next morning, Bluey placed the doll gently on the table, feeding it pretend cereal. Bandit shook his head, laughing. Chilli chuckled, warm. Muffin and Socks barged in loud, Muffin shouting, "Can I hold it?" Bluey pulled back, firm but kind. "No, Muffin. This doll is my heart." Could anyone else respect that love? Later, in the garden, Bluey held the doll high, spinning under the sun, giggling with pure joy. She whispered soft, "You're my best friend forever." Bingo ran to hug her, Bandit and Chilli watched from the porch, smiling proud. Could family moments feel any warmer? Bluey raised the doll to the sky, shouting loud, "No matter what happens, I'll always love you." And hey, if this tender story touched your heart, smash like, subscribe, and be ready for the next adventure filled with love, laughter, and Bluey's magic.